More time, them a wonder where I go forward with it, see me? Them a wonder if I go fail, you hear that?
Subscriber. Different type. Yeah. I did some Masicka go. I'm not lie. That song you bad. And watch I go on now. You see that first little line them I play a while ago? It is very important to me. And that's why I'm start the review that way, because guess what go on? You have people in life. All them do. I focus on you and wish for bad thing reach you. Guess what go on? We firm and strong. We are crocodile and we out here. Yeah man. And that's why the song name different type. Because guess what? We're different from the average. So guess what go on now? We are gonna jump into it and make them know the craft. Make them know the badness. Make them know the different type. Show them to watch them man. We're not regular like them. Let's get into it.
Different type of killer with no pretend striker. Different type of pussy from my cocky down, my bitch them hyper. Different type of money, don't we live them life. Yeah, different type of straining, and my brain nice man, they swing my lighter.
If you are a subscriber, so the crocodile I make you know say yo, a different type of thing I go on. Different type of killer there on my foot. And then a hurry come up, and then a jumping nigga there on my foot. A real soldier, you know what I mean? And then a pretender striker. The man you strike. Watching that man? Here we go on, the man say, you're different type of pussy from my cocky. Dog, me bitch them hyper. So you know, say yo, as some independent bitch them, you see me? Girl have them own things. You know what I mean? Girl can stay up and buy 2 tires for the porch. You know what I mean? A them kind of girl the man have a tour roll with different kind of something. Yeah man, different kind of money we are spend to, you know. Yeah man, dog will live them life as what you know? If a champagne, if a designer wear, if a big house, if a Porsche, if a AK, we have it. Different kind of money we have. You know what I mean? Different type of strain in my brain. Another low bush are the best kush. I would them man. Yeah man, the man say yo, somebody does swing blind, you know. Me get this flammable. Me nah lie. Masicka is a youth where yo, when him drop a song, and it always be a bad song. Song where you can vibe to. And I say, yeah, that song is bad. And that's why I'm there represent. If you are a subscriber, take in some more of this.
Granny tell me different strokes, different folks. Walk down some and bust them head and run down some and slick them throat. I tell no me split them spoke. Serious me skip them joke. Bricks them up, my chips afloat. Rich like how we ship a coke. Liar when I miss a quote. La tire me dick a choke. Destroyer for my hip a sport.
Me not lie. Me have to buy out every network and give Masicka all the credit he deserve. Me not lie, because guess what go on? The song name different type. And you see the song yeah, and you see the music video, everything different about it. And I have to say it that way there. I have to say it again. Different. Everything is different about this song. So the title of the song couldn't go better than that. Different type. You know what I mean? Because me not lie. A whole heap of things the man is sitting at the song. My granny tell me different strokes. Watch that man? The man say yo, him walk down, so him bust them head and run down somebody, sick them throat. You know what I mean? Hot. You know this spliff me smoke. So no say yo, high grade me have as the man done telling before. Him have the money so him can get the good grades them. You know what I mean? Serious. Me skip them joke. Me not laugh but what go on. A serious thing happen. And that the man I make know. The man say yo, bricks them up with chips them afloat. The man say me rich like all way a ship a coke. You know what I mean? The man making such a man. To me rich, you know. It seems like say everything I sell or anything me ship off, I come here I just be a coke. Because to rich the money up, the chips them up. Me liar. You know what I mean? We no miss a quote. Lataya have me dick a choke. Destroyer pa me hip a sport. Hold on. I wonder if you see. I wonder if you really understand and see how the man a flow and the man lyrics is a conic and I make sense. That more get to that point there. The man a flow. The bars them bad and them make sense. That make a total complete song. It have it. Watch it now, man. Bad song a bad song. Take in some more, right?
Legends live forever, them can't kill a goat. Swing a rope, pull me dogs them out and give me niggas hope. Some different type of life with all me kids, cause man a real survivor. Stripes and me no mean a tiger. Lion on the streets me wiser. I and then I lead me side.
And then, let me split first. Yeah. Different kind of grades me a smoke. Hold on there now. Me a reason with me genocide fans them, yeah. I honor me I talk to now. Me I address honor because realize say Ray and Ray are gone. So me I just honor right now. Me genocide fans them. Make me know how much on a grade that song out of 10 in the comment section. Alright, next now. Now I'll jump to the next line. The artists are bad. Me know a long time, but my friend say it again. Him bad, cause guess what go on now? The man I make it know straight and watching a man point blank say, yo, you see legend live forever. I'ma tell you this. Put it in the world in a history. Put it in the Guinness World Record book. Masicka. Him a legend in this. Him a reach to that point there. Because guess what go on? You see the next 10 years from now, you have to look at Masicka and say all the good things them. So you say all who I deny the fact right now. Members of Heinz Boss, they tell you no, cause here what the man say in the line now. The man say, yo, them can't kill a goat. Greatest of all time. And without a doubt, me go say it again. Masicka are one of the greatest of all time in dancehall history. Me remember when Masicka I sing so fast. You know what I mean? Ground them from the time there. When me only hear him on me have to go look for him song on different levels, I think. In a come on radio. Only man who play on radio a DJ Crump on Urban Monday. Remember them time there. So for me, they also now can review a Masicka song. And me can remember from the time me hear Masicka till now. Me have to say, yo, you youth, I want the baddest thing in the dancehall. Let me say it again. Masicka, you, I want the baddest thing in the dancehall. The man say, yo, him a go swing a rope. Yeah, man. Pull me dog them out and give me nigga them hope. I want him to you. I'm going to tell us something again to me with Masicka. Him never let him dogs them yet. Him ever a singer make no say yo. From him rich, him dog them have a good too. Some different type of life with all my kids them cause man a real survivor. And the next thing too, the man ever ask him about him youth. Me not lie. Hold on man. The man say yo, him have stripe Me no mean tiger. Lion at the street. Cause what? Heinz Boss, the genocide fans them are watching a man. Me wiser, iron. Them me not leave my side cause guess what go on. You can't play like a fool in the street. You have to wise up. And know say yo, bad mind out there. So guess what go on. You see the iron have to beside we at all time. And them fi know say yo, we are the tiger. We have stripe like lion them. Brrr. Even though we are crocodile, that we show us everything sick out there. Hold on, man. Viewer, subscriber. Bad song, a bad song. Make we take in some more, right?
So a different settings, a different move, a different steppings. Them just a settings. Them pussy they can't stop my blessings. Girl in the leggings, pull it down, me push my body heading. I saw she spreading. Me cocky stand up, not no deading.
Settings, different move, different steppings. Them just a settings. Them pussy there can't stop my blessings. You know what I mean? Girl in the leggings. Pull it down, push him body heading. I show she spreading. Make cocky stand up, nothing deading. Viewer, subscriber. Hold on, man. Genocide fans, them. What we say? Bad song, though. That we say? Bad song, a bad song. Alright, let's me have to say it alone. Because guess what go on. The youth bad. And me not watching a man. Me not gonna say nothing more. Just take in some more, right?
Money up, dirty spending. My pocket full, the racket full, no touch it then him. I owe that a chat so, must enough is send him. Get the Glock and stuff the lead him. And something catch him, boom. Different type of killer with no pretend striker.
Nah, lie. Genocide fans, them, no one's supposed to feel proud of that song if you know, say, yo, what next bad song add to the catalog right now? Yeah, man. That go on, cause some boy a chat nothing, no. Seems like enough he send them because the only man supposed to attack enough. That's how him work. So any boy take up enough work and could get pushed out. So I don't understand. I will send him enough he send him. I must that, but guess what go on? Remember, you know? My racket, my pocket full of racket in. Yeah, man. I remember some me sport the chair on my waist already, so you know it's go already. You know what I mean? So what you go on now? Different type of killer. When you pretend striker. Different type of pussy for my watching a man. Viewer, subscriber. The genocide funds them. The crocodile them. Watching a man. You don't know a bad song already. I'm come drop the bad review upon the bad song, so that make everything just bad and mad. So guess what go on? In the comment section, all you have to do, make me know one thing about the song. How much you grade the song out of 10? You know what I mean? Simple as that. Make me know one thing. If for the first time you tune into the channel, the door is always open. Subscribe right there and then hit the post notification button so watch I go on now. Anything drop you don't know you get notified first. As simple as that. At the Irons Boss, at the Ironsing TV. And guess what I say? Fresh and cool. Coming and going to CESSPOOL. I'm out.
Different type of killer with no pretend striker. Different type of pussy pan my cocky down, my bitch them hyper. Different type of money, don't we live them life. Yeah, different type of straining, and my brain is man, they swing my lighter.